Sit somewhere because my legs start paining if you stand. I'll only talk from my experience. Is that okay? Yes. Only tell you what I did as a teacher and what I did as a principal. Principal ma to nahi maja. See, all my children who are on my WhatsApp are all my convent children. Just a few from Baroda school. Because a principal does not, though I used to go from standard 8 to standard 12, one period each, but that doesn't bring children close to you. As a teacher, the children come very close to you. Alpana madam, if she allows, this is open space, you may remove your mask for some time because it's open. So they say that in an open space you can remove your mask if you wish to. If you wish to. But don't put it here because medically it is not good. You remember in Gujarati there's a saying that says ke evi vahu lavani ke ghati mathi pani utre te dekhai. That means when she drinks water, you can see her water go down her throat because this skin is very delicate. So if you put your mask here, all the breath, bad breath goes into your skin. That's what medicine says. I have read it somewhere. Hu kai doctor nathi. Anyway, what I want to say is that we have to all be friends of the children. You cannot be teachers in the true sense. You have to be their friend. I worked for 15 years in convent school. Somebody knows that. Yes, she knows that. And some others also know that. For 15 years, my best years. But we learn also a lot as teachers. So I started in standard 4 because I was not trained. So the sister, I got married in April, came to Baroda, and in June I started school. So from 64 to today, I am in with this education. Anyway, so what I did is, so they put me in the 4th standard. So when I went, the nun was a very strict nun, Sister Adrian, very nice person. So she said, you'll be teacher in standard 10, 4B. So because I had also studied in Jesus and Mary, and I had come straight from the convent. So when I put up, she was very smart, you know, the principal. So she would give me a classroom exactly opposite to her office. So her office was there and my classroom was here. So she could keep an eye on me. So I thought like a true teacher wrote on the board. She called me one day. She saying, Miss Savala, you can't write on the board like this. You can't use joint handwriting for little children. They hardly understand. You have to go in print, and even today I cannot print my words. I have to go and join handwriting. She taught me so many things, but what was very good about her was that the response was immediate. So what would happen is that if you did anything right, immediately she will compliment you. Immediately. That's very necessary for us also. The minute a child is good, say very good. Don't just leave it ke hu pachi ene recess ma kais. Make the other children clap hands. That's what I did. Also, don't be afraid of a change. Do what you think is best. Only quietly tell the principal, I'm going to do this. Please, may I do this? No. Sorry. I'm going to do this. I did that one day. Of course, then because I used to carry lots of homework to my house, my husband said, because I'm a commerce graduate, mane ek bhi paisa no hisab nahi avde. Accountancy was my major, but I still do not know कि 1500 क्या होता है and 15,000 क्या होता है. I'm very poor at that. बीजी बात, I want all your faces to have a smile. Don't say I'll smile on Christmas Day only. Smile करो, બધા આમ ના થાઓ, મને નહીં ગમે એવું face. So, yeah, smile करो. अंदर भी smile करो कि चलेगी, it will show in your eyes. है ना? All right. So what I was saying that once then my husband said, "No, teacher to wo to B.Ed kar." So I left school for 2 years and I did B.Ed. I did B.Ed and I went to 10th standard. Tabi my nun, who was my nun in Jesus and Mary in Mumbai, came as a principal to this Jesus and Mary in Fatehganj. So I had joined Navrachana. Navrachana started in 67. Savita Ben interviewed many people and she selected me as a teacher. Chokshi Sahib was the principal. And another Parsi lady from Ahmedabad, so we were 2 Parsi girls and 1 Chokshi to start with. And then somebody told me, Tara principal aaya chhe Malwa. So I went one day. And I was a young person. I was just 23, 24. So I used to wear a skirt and a blouse. So I wore a skirt and I went. And there was a window there. And the nun, the principal, Sister Pia, she's no more. She saw me outside. So she said, come inside. I know your face, but I don't know your name. I said, you are my principal. She said, what are you doing? I said, I've joined Navratna. She said, how dare you do that? In those days, there was no interview, no nothing. I'm talking of 67. She pulled a drawer, she put out a paper and she said, what were your subjects? I said, they were English and geography. You will be English teacher, you will be a geography teacher, you will be 10B teacher. Here, sign. So I said, Baba, wait, now I have to go home and ask. I went home and I told my husband, he said, join convent because it's close to our house. And Navarachna in those days was in the jungle. That area was not developed at all. Koi to bahana nikalna padega because I had already signed the contract. So I said, I have a sick mother-in-law. I really had a sick mother-in-law. Not a very sick mother-in-law, but I had a small baby, just 9 months old. So I said, I can't join, please, Sarita Ben. It will be too much for me. So she said, okay, you're allowed to go. Since then, I joined convent. In 81, I moved out. She said she left in 81 and I left in 81. I left in 81 because somebody in nuns look to tamne principal banwa na de. And as a young girl, like you are still wanting to be the head of an institution or supervisor or something. So I told mother, "Okay, mother, mane ek offer aavi chhe." Somebody in the Muslim school had invited me. He kept sending messages, kept sending feeders, and I would say no, no, no. One day he said, "Aao to khari, mara bachchaone jo to khari." So I went. It was a Gujarati medium school, mind you. Mane Gujarati words bhi nata avadta. For example, for a dudhi, the Parsis would say dodhi. You know, there were words but I would not know. But I joined that school because they were very, very poor children. So I joined that school. Once I joined that school, the children and the parents were so beautiful, but terrible, terrible, terrible teachers. But convent gave me the experience of being a true teacher. Every time I took up a class, my children would be my friends. I'll give you very few examples before I stop. Mane ek kursi joiye basically. Otherwise my left foot will give way. Bas, thank you. नहीं इधर अच्छा है इधर क्या होगा बैलेंस बैनर मेरा बैनर का तो क्या in my gamra. So then when he would forget the words, he would give a bad word in the mic only. Forgot or something else. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you. So you know what happened that you know we lost that very good pilot.
Yes.
They found his body after 11 days. So when I went to school in the convent, one day I said that the children are not doing self-learning. So I told them, children, shall we do something to our desk? They used to have a desk and a chair. Shall we do something to our desk? They said, okay. So I made them, no beta, thank you. Thank you. So what we did was, I put 4 benches, one opposite to another, or 6 benches, and in a classroom we are in that way. And I said, one girl who's good in mathematics, one girl who's good, because it was a girls' school, we had boys also, one girl who's good in English will stay on a table, the rest will sit like that. So they sat opposite to one another, and I said, don't quarrel. If she says that I want to do English, all of you will do English. If she says I want to do geography, you'll all do geography. For the first week, they made so much noise. Baapre. All the teachers came in the staff room and began to complain. We had one Mrs. Pradhan. Need to give them time. After 8-10 days, they all settled down. They were so good and they helped one another. They came up in their progress with the result that they all said, "Mara class ne gotri aapne." Then my children went. One more thing that you can do. I don't know if I'll be able to show, but let me finish this, then I'll continue with that. One more thing that you can do is that tell your children to teach the other children. one day make a teacher of the child and say, come on, teach this, or say a poem and explain to the children what it is. They're very small, but make them do that. Why I'm saying that, I did M.Ed when I was in convent. And for my test lesson, my teacher told me that give a lesson to the children. I still remember, I did it in 79, but I still remember, I took up a lesson called Cigarette Pictures by Linda Frost. उसमें ऐसा था that the author had two niece, and they would make, both the niece would make him smoke because they wanted the cover of that cigarette packet. And they would pass the cigarette packet and play with that. So I had explained, I took up 3 girls and I said, see, 3 of you will do this lesson. One, I was taught by my teacher in that ML, this. So, one Mr. Menon, he's a big shot now in Delhi. So, one girl will read the 2 or 3 paragraphs, one will explain, and the third will put on the board some point. You know what they did? They brought matchstick covers because they couldn't find cigarette, no? Matchstick covers, they distributed those covers and they did the lesson so beautifully. I got an A+ for that lesson. And then the girls are saying, Miss, now I think we will teach ourselves. I said, mere pet pe kyun laat marte ho? They were so good. Do that. Yesterday, one of my convent girl came over. She's been coming for 2 days, but she came yesterday and she has given me one particular slide lesson, which I can show you sometime, or I can give it to her on WhatsApp, and you can show it to your teachers whenever you have the chance. She made up puzzles, quiz for children, and she put it up in a different form. Like, for example, a little boy gets up. So first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture. Say which is the first picture. So the child sees and says, this is the first picture, this is the fourth picture, this is the second picture. Let the child read. Give them something extra. She works for Navrachana. No, Ridyani. She's a senior KG teacher. So she said that I give them something extra. She taught me so many things, this girl called Neeta Patel. She said that the blue whale, you all know a blue whale, is the largest mammal on earth. It has a tongue so long, the tail so long, I'll tell you, she taught me all that. The whale's heart is as big as a car. And she showed me the picture also. She showed it to the child. She put up a slide that shows a whale, and then she put up a slide that shows a heart of the whale. And she said the tongue is as big as an elephant. Whale, I never knew that. And the same thing happened when I was a teacher in the convent. And planetarium, it's called planetarium, but we always called it planetorium. And I was an English teacher. Imagine, I was an English teacher. And I didn't know the pronunciation. So I said planetorium. And there used to be boys also in my class. I'm talking of the 10B class. There was a small boy over there, thin fellow, called Joe. He sat there, he's saying, Miss. They call Miss, they don't say madam. Miss is planetarium. I said, chal away planetarium. I'm an English teacher. Because eco teacher ka bahut hota hai. Aaj bhi hai mera ego. So I said, Kim hai? He said, Miss, come on, let's lay a bet. I said, chal bet. Kya bet karenge? Cadbury's chocolate. Cadbury's chocolate us zamane mein 12 aane ki aati. 12 annas. If I win, I said, you have to give me the chocolate and I'll eat the whole chocolate myself. So he says, okay, but if you win, then you will have to give me the chocolate. I said, okay. When I went out to the classroom, I was telling myself that when does a child challenge a teacher? When he's sure. तो मैं तो स्टाफ में जाके जल्दी लिखने देखती हूँ, बाप रे. The next day I pretended I had forgotten. I didn't want to give up. So I taught the whole lesson. After some time the child tells me, Joe tells me, Miss, what about that planetarium? I said, okay, take here's your chocolate. And he distributed and had it. After years, I'm talking just a year and a half or so ago, I met him on the Facebook. He says, Miss, you remember me? I was your moon, because I used to teach special geography. I was a special geography teacher right up to standard 11. There was only 11 then. तो वो सिखाते वक्त मैंने कोई को मून अर्थ बनाया होगा, made him go round and round, something I must have done. I don't remember. And Joe, I wrote back and I said, Joe, are you the same boy who taught me to spell to pronounce planetarium? And I must have written something, मैंने बहुत याद नहीं. I must have written, what a fool I was. I didn't know the correct pronunciation. You know what he wrote back to me? He says, Miss, you were, you are, and you'll always be my best teacher. अब इससे reward और क्या चाहिए teacher को? That's your reward. You don't need anything from your children. When they love you, when they show you all the gratitude, that's your reward. There's one boy who's been a अबे रोज संभला ही चेन बताने अच्छा ऐसा करूँगी देख तो you know what children કહો છો તમને but you are my children only.
Yes, ma'am.
હા ટીચર્સ નહીં કહેવાય ને children જ કહેવાય ને કહેવાય okay so that's what he did to me. See, these are the children who really love you. There's one boy called Harold D'Souza. His big poster is up on the convent school compound, Jesus and Mary compound. He was a victim of human trafficking, and now he goes from place to place all over the world and talks about human trafficking and how we can protect our children from that. He also comes, every time he comes to Baroda, he comes to meet me and he hugs me and says, Miss. That's your reward. What else can you want from your children? But throw challenges to the children, however small. And you know about this whale and the rest of the things, Neeta had given her children to find out. You find out about anything that you want to find out. And some person came to say, one child came to say, whale ne how boy. Maybe he must have looked up the Google or whatever he must have done. But throw challenges to your children. They'll come up with very nice things. Be very friendly with them. The minute you are friendly with them, they'll never leak out your secret. I'm telling you. As a young girl, when I joined 4th standard, sister put one German boy in my class. He was just for 6 months or so. German boy also liked to spin tops. I used to take a jari also on my hand. I was a young person, straight from college I had come. So I would tell him, apne bejan, apne bubble doppler sister nahi hai. The children would be writing something while we would be spinning tops. Jaise sister hai, my children would say, Miss, sister has come. Also, you know what you do, children? Don't press your children too hard. I'll give you an example. We had a teacher called Nargish teacher in convent school. She's no more poor there. Nargish used to keep her children all controlled, and I was put up in we had a first floor where all the top classes, 8 to 12, but 8 to 11 were in the first floor. And they were in a small little sort of a house which belonged to the nuns first. Now, besi jane bachchu kursi ke chine, besi jane bata. Besi ja.
Take one chair and take this chair there, na?
ये किस्सा कुर्सी का देख, उसने उसका चेयर ले लिया.
Sorry, madam.
चलेगा. तो see, I'm so forgetful. I'm going to be 80 years in June. Can you imagine? 80 years. देखो मेरे hands पे भी wrinkles आ गए. I'm not prepared to believe that I'm 80 years, but I am 80 years.
Yes, ma'am.
What was I saying, children? Give me a clue.
Nargis, ma'am.
हाँ, Nargish madam. तो एमनो क्लास क्या है? तो she had higher KG. And my children make a lot of noise in between two classes, you know, when the teacher went out. So this Nargish should come to the staff room and always complain, तारा छोकरा बहुत आवाज करे, तारा छोकरा बहुत आवाज करे, जो मारा कहता छोकरा पाए. I told her, when my children go home at 1:20 and come in the morning at 20 to 8, they have passed through so many things. They want to tell their friends, they want to share with their friends. तारा नाना छोकरा, what do they want to share? So they don't make a noise. एक दिन हम एग्जाम्स ले रहे हैं, हम सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं, and I hear some children shout, Ganpati Bappa, oh yeah. I'm looking out from the veranda and I see Nargish's children all on the table, on the chair, Ganpati Bappa, oh, because Nargish was not there. The minute she came, they all sat down. I had a nice time, you know. In the staff room, I told her, "Tari khabar che tara chokra su karta tha? Ganpati Bappa Moria." You allow them to talk, allow them to scream, because that's what the children want. Little children can't sit for more than 15, 20 minutes in their place. They want to move about. I joined many schools after I retired, you know. I went to Kalol, I went to Ahmedabad. Kalol itte Halol Kalol wali. When the riot started, I was there when the riot started. We were doing an annual day that day. I joined many, many, many schools. I joined Prince Ashokarajay Gaikwad also, right? For 8 years. I started from standard 1 right up to standard 8. When standard 8 came, they don't want a retired Buddhi teacher to be a principal. Nah, CBSE school. So I put Vardharajan and I moved out. I had a nursery teacher who's now in Australia. She was a very friendly teacher. So हम annual day बहुत posh करते थे. And because we loved our teachers, I would be more their friends than their principal. They would sit till 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and do up a huge stage. We would have a huge curtain behind the stage. Every year we had new curtains. So सब लोग बैठते थे. And then little babies का, there used to be good items. I would hate to play music that's taped or music that's filmed. It would be live. We had a nice singer, Tushar Bhosle, you must have heard of him. So Tushar Bhosle would sing with his group of girls and boys. So this teacher, she had to prepare the dress for the children. So उसने क्या करा था? She had tied a little string in her classroom and she had put every child's costume on a hanger, on a clip with the name of the child. As I was passing by one day, I saw one boy running about and pulling this and pulling that and pulling this. I said, "Ye Bapa, where should I say a bachcha?" You know what that girl did? She caught the boy like this, put his face against his face and said, "Stop." Only one word she said, "Stop." And it's already there. The boy was quiet for the rest of the day. Sometimes you need to do that also. तुरंत तुषार ने बोला इन्हें दबड़ाया, मेरे को तो दबड़ाना पड़े भाई कोई वक्त. Or sometimes you need to bully the children, but very rarely. If they are your friends, they will look after you so well. They'll not touch you also. They'll find out new things for you. एक French little girl who gives tuitions. So she said कि when I was strict with that boy, he said, "कालती तमने चाह नाश्ता नहीं मिल से, मारा घर मारा." And she still remembers that boy. He's come up to 9th standard or so. तो कि चल कालती तमने चाह नाश्ता नहीं मिल से, मारा घर में. तो मैंने बोलिया कि something like that. But children are children. You have to give your best to the children. In Ashokaradi, I did lots of things with them. We had lots of things which you can do. I tell Alpana to do. You have a big ground. You can do that. We used to make one diya. Once we did a charkha, once we did a diya, big one in the compound with flowers. The drawing teacher drew and then we put marigold all over. We put one big diya in the center and we had a teacher called Ansuya. She was a very nice art teacher, Mahakanjus. So I told her put candles, so she cut the candle into tiny things like that and put one candle in that small kodia, you know, and she put it all over that diya, whatever was the drawing. And when my children went from higher KG to first standard, we would make them all sit on a chairs, 2 chairs. One higher KG child, one first standard child, one higher KG child, one first standard child. And each higher KG had a candle. And then they would come and we made topi for them, you know, like many schools make that topi, black topi. No pom-pom or whatever. But once when we made the topi went here, for some children the topi didn't fit. So this time there's one Kainas Setna in Alkapuri. She was my teacher then. She's in Alkapuri now as a teacher. Kainas would take everyone's measurement and make and stick names there. And then we would give their result. We just roll up like that, tie a ribbon. And then like they would feel that it's like a competition. So we would give them that. Then the first standard children would catch the higher KG children's hand, go round and light one candle and give the candle to the KG child. It's a very good thing. And I called Vardharajan then. He was a principal in Bhavat's. He was so impressed. He said, it looks like a university convocation. My children behaved so well. Abhi wo candle वैक्स गिरेगा तो जलेंगे ना बच्चे, so she would make a flower over here, but on the candle, so that the droplets would fall on the flower, not on the hand. All that my teachers did. I didn't know anything. Everything they did, I just gave them an idea. कि तुम्हें आओ काय करते, and they did. You can do that. It will be a nice thing. Your parents will be very happy. We invited the parents. अगर सब वो मोमबत्ती नहीं, if they're not lit up all, then we would invite the parents. The chief guest would light the one that's in the center. After that, the children would light. Then we would say, parents, whichever candles are not lit, you can come and light. So they would do that. That also we can do. Challenge the children. That's important. आपके बच्चे कितने स्मार्ट है पता है ना आपको? They teach you. मैंने एक दिन अलकापुरी से निकल रही थी, मैंने बोला all the boys were, it was a research and all big boys talking to one another. ऐसे नहीं boys, इतना छोटा सा होल है मेरे मोबाइल में, फिर भी इतना बड़ा क्यों आवाज़ आता है? तो इसे मैडम उसमें माइक होता है. हाय हाय सर, मुझे तो वो भी नहीं पता है. आई स्टिल डोंट नो सो मेनी थिंग्स. माई नेबर्स बॉय हैज़ कम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर बिकॉज वो ये हो गया ना कोरोना, ही वर्क्स एट होम. तो मैं उसके पास दौड़ जाती, ये बच्चों देखना मेरा सब ये हो गया 99% इज शोइंग, थोड़ा कम करके देना. यू डू इट फॉर मी. माई सन सेज कि तू क्यों नहीं सीखती माँ? आई सेड दैट माई चिल्ड्रन आर देयर टू हेल्प मी, व्हाई शुड आई लर्न? Now this Neeta has brought this thing and I told her, I said Neeta मुझे सिखा, मैं तेरे को ट्यूशन भी देगी 2000 एक महीने का. She said no miss, I'll teach, but do you need it? I said no, I don't need it. I'm not there to make slides or teach little babies anymore. Or I would have learned to do that. I would have loved to do that. So learn at any age, even if you are 80 years old as I am, learn. That's what I'm trying to say. I would of course I brought some points to tell my, तुम लोग ने वो नहीं, वो तो उन लोग ने करा था ना, ये तुम्हारी ग्रुप ने करा था ना, हाँ उन लोग ने करा था. So that the thing that you sent to me, then I'll talk to them.
We have a separate
Okay.
presentation.
One thing, teachers, all of you download dictionary in your mobile. Write a English word, it'll give you Gujarati, but more than that, there's a little mic. Press that mic, it'll give you the pronunciation. Those pronunciations are terrible, bachcha. I am so sorry to say, but it's not terrible pronunciations. Terrible pronunciations. Not our fault. Not the Gujarati children's fault. I'll tell you why. पहले वो रेफ आती थी ऐसे कॉलेज के ऊपर, you know, for college there used to be a rape. મને પનિશ કરે છે ને તડકામાં બેસાડે. Now that's better. રોદે.
Mike, madam, करो ना.
There used to be a rape before, you remember? That's gone now. Like Chandrabindu has gone from Hindi. We don't put Chandrabindu anymore. We just put a bindu. Short कर दिया. हम गुजराती के ऐसे करते थे ना, ऐसा. That's gone. Very rarely we put a Chandrabindu. Very rarely. ऐसा बिंदु होता है ना ऊपर, चंद्र बिंदु होता है ना, वो बहुत रेयरली हम यूज करते हैं, यूज ही नहीं करते हैं.
कीबोर्ड में नहीं है मैडम, कीबोर्ड में नहीं है, पर उसमें है.
प्र भी नहीं है, प्र भी नहीं है.
नहीं वो है मैडम.
पर हाँ, तो मेरे मोबाइल में नहीं. पर करती तो फिर वो वर्ड दिखाते कि प्र ऐसा होता है, लेकिन है नहीं वो. बट बहुत रेयरली हम यूज करते हैं चंद्र बिंदु. वो रेप नहीं यूज करते हैं. तो क कर्णों ने मात्रा है क. So it's not co, it's co, college. आऊ होई तो we'll say college, college. Versus sell for sale, sale for sale. Not that I can't pronounce. I can pronounce the word sell. But આજે sell લાગી છે, આજે sale લાગી છે નહીં. We misuse. Loan ને loan. બેંકે લોન આપી છે અને લોનમાં બેસી જાને. I can pronounce both the words, but why am I not using it properly? Because we are not trained to use that. So train your children to use those words correctly. Pronounce those words. If you're in doubt, take that, put it to your ears and pronounce the word. Yesterday only with Neeta, we laid a challenge. She said it's not a door, it's a door. It's not a door, it's a door. मैं कहूँ चल जोई पहले डिक्शनरी मूकता रहे मोबाइल में. She says yes madam, it's a door. It's not a door. It's a door. एकदम नैरो थे. Taste. It's not taste. Taste is taste. It's a test. This is a test. First test, second test, third test. We said taste, Ajay. Today we had taste today. What is taste today? All of us do that. Put your hand on your heart and say, "Hu nathi karti." All of us do it. So be careful when you are using those words because your children are imitating. Your children are definitely imitating. I give you an example of my boy. I put my son for about till 5th standard in convent. He used to come with me and go with me. And we had a very nice teacher in the nursery class called Mrs. Pramar. She was a German. She's still there. She's in Bangalore in a home. She's still there, Mrs. Pramar. So she would say Dias for Dias. And she would say Bayer and Kayer. For bear, she would say Bayer. My son refused to believe that it is a bear. It is a Bayer only. Mara miskolya ne. I had to go up to that teacher and tell her that Mrs. Pramar, she was feeling very bad. She said, "Miss, now I'll come to you, Mrs. Arwala, and tell me the pronunciation." So for the Dias, she said, "Is it a Dias or is it a Dias?" I said, "It's a Dias." She's a very nice teacher. And she had a habit of smoking. See, that also we have to be very careful. She used to smoke in the class in the recess. My son came and told me, "Mara, Miss Tam smartly smoke karta ho." So I very innocently told her one day that my son is very proud of you. Mara, Miss Tam smoke kare. She said, "Huh? He sees me smoking." She came up every time in the recess to smoke. She said, "I want my children to see me smoking." See, that's a true teacher. True teacher came in. And I remember her, she was a lovely teacher. I went and I spoke to her in the thing. Our class used to start very late. It's okay, it's okay. Used to start late and the nurseries would start early. Not disturb Tani.
Oh, it's okay.
Don't be disturbed. And you're disturbing me also.
Oh, I'm
Thank you,
sorry.
Bacha. Thank you, Bacha. Thank you. So, see now I forgot. You know what she used to do? One child came in crying. She had a special room and there were pillars in her room. So on the pillars, she had put lots of masks. She was a very good artist. So she had drawn and put masks and she would wear each mask and tell a story to the children. One child came crying with a bottle. She did nothing. I was sitting opposite to her. She just picked up the child, put the child on her lap, facing me like this, took the water bottle, took his bag, and just did this to his leg. Just did this, kept talking to me. The child kept quiet. This is what we need for our children. હવે તો કોરોનામાં આપણે ટચ નથી કરી શકવાના પણ હોપફુલી ડિસેમ્બર પછી કોરોના જશે because those two grahas are meeting in the papers today's papers. And my sister, who's an astrologer, says that December pachi jai. One astrologer said that December pachi cancer will vanish. Hopefully, I hope so. Anyway, तो अगर हमको चांस मिले, if you hug a child, ये एकदम क्वाइट हो जाए. ये थेरेपी है. If you hug someone, when someone is in pain and you hug someone, you can literally feel her pain through you. You will feel that she wants to say something to you. તમે જો અગર એને hug. So little children do that. हमारा एक मिस एरिकन आती नर्सरी प्राइमरी टीचर से सेकंड टीचर. अगर बच्चा रहा तो she would just put her hand here on the child's heart and one behind and she'd say रड़वानी नहीं है, don't cry that time. The child will be cry. You can do that. नर्सरी में जब बच्चे आते हैं ना ये कितना रोते हैं. कहाँ है नर्सरी टीचर्स? बहुत रोते हैं. क्या करते हो आप लोग? हम लोग क्या करते पता है? अशोक राज्य में हमने नई मेथड निकाली थी. We used to put benches out in the compound because we had a big compound. And we put one teacher on each of the bench. For first 3 days, the parents would come with the children, sit on the benches. एक बेंच में ड्राइंग है, एक बेंच में रीडिंग है, एक बेंच में राइटिंग है, एक बेंच में ब्लॉक्स है. Children can do whatever they want. 1.5 hours they would sit. We'd give them biscuits and a drink. They would go with their bed. 3 दिवस. 4th day, the children stopped crying. एक के दो बच्चा रोता है, then Tushar will play the band so loudly. बच्चे की रोटी आवाज़ ही नहीं आती. Because when one child cries, the rest of them cry. So अगर वो बच्चा एक चुप हो गया, तो सब लोग चुप हो जाते. All that methods you can use. Do something that will make the children very happy. That they remember their childhood. कि हमें नाना आता करे. I had a nasty teacher when I was in primary in convent. We had one Miss Brito. They were two spinsters. એવું કે બપોરે જમવાનું ને પછી યુ હેવ ટુ રેस्ट ऑन योर डेस्क. स्कूल गेट्स ओवर एट 4 o'clock. 1 o'clock में 1 to 1:30 लंच करना है. तो वो बड़ी सी केन लेके आती थी ऐसे ऐसे, जॉनी इज कमिंग, जॉनी इज कमिंग. कोई की भी आँख खुली, शुड डू 1. यू ऑल हिट योर चिल्ड्रन, यू डू दिस, यू डू दिस, you return this. I remember in Ashok Raje there was one girl, I'm not, she's I think in Gujarat Public School. She did this to a child and the parent came. मैं कि तुम्हारी टीचर को जैसे वो करे नहीं, because I never take up for the parents, I always take up for the teacher. I don't believe, मैडम तमें पूछे सा. I called her. She said, मिस मैं खाली आउज करेलू. I said, take your salary, कालती ना आती. And we had, the boss of the school was Rani. રણજીત સિંહ હતા ને આપણા રાજા, એમના કાકી થાય, દેવયાની રાજે ગાયકવાડ. સો આઈ યુઝ ટુ કોલ રાની મેડમ. સો શી કોલ્ડ મી, સરવાલા તમે એક ટીચરને કાઢી મૂકી. મેં કીધું હા, બહુ સારું કર્યું. આઈ ડિડન્ટ ટેક ધ ટ્રસ્ટીઝ પરમિશન, આઈ વોઝ ધ બોસ. વેન આઈ જોઈન MES ગર્લ્સ હાઈ સ્કૂલ, એક બકરીનું ડોકું, there were kundis made, you know, out of bricks. एक brick छोड़ीने बीजी brick. So that bakri's head got caught in that brick. The teachers came running. I said, break the brick and release the goat. He said, नहीं, हमको तैयर जी साहब को पूछना पड़ेगा. I said, I am the boss. तोड़ा भी उसको. When Tayyab ji came, I told him. He said, very good. I am the person in the situation. Why should I ask my trustee or why should I ask my other people? That's what teachers also should do. If you are a good teacher, do what's right for your children. No need of, but if you have done something wrong, quietly come and tell your principal, आज ये ऐसा हो गया मेरे से. So she'll take up for you. हो गया कि बाद आके चुपचाप बोल जाओ टीचर को, प्रिंसिपल को बोल जाओ, because principal has to fight for you, no? When the parent come, हाय मैंने आज ऐसा कर दिया, उसी से ओके, दूसरी बार नहीं करना, but she will fight for you. पर अगर चुपचाप बैठे रहोगे तो then she will not be able to. फिर उसको बुलाना पड़ेगा तुमको, तुमने ऐसा करा था क्या? All that will be here. But I know that you are such lovely teachers. अभी भी बहुत लोग स्माइल नहीं कर रहे, पता नहीं क्या घर का दुख लेके आ रहे, क्या पता नहीं हस्बैंड से झगड़ा करा के वाइफ के झगड़ा करा, तो भी क्या हो गया, भूल जाने का सब कुछ है ना, हंसने का, खेलने का और मजा करने का. स्कूल शुड बी अ हैप्पी प्लेस, नॉट वन दैट्स टॉर्चरस. स्कूल बच्चे दौड़ के आना चाहिए स्कूल, और चल के जाने चाहिए घर, वो होना चाहिए, है ना. हमको ऐसा सिखाते हैं ना हमको सब. हाउ मेनी ऑफ योर BEds हियर? नो. तो प्राइवेट में क्या करते हैं BEd वाले? BEd नहीं करना होता है ना प्राइमरी में.
मैडम वो तो PTC से पहले हो गया, अब तो कंपलसरी है ना. PTC is in but in
गुजराती मीडियम
and government schools. CM केंद्रीय विद्यालय से take up to 5th standard PTC.
PTC में कितनी सारी चीज़ सिखाते हैं जो BEd में नहीं सिखाते हैं. ड्राइंग क्राफ्ट में PTC के टीचर बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. So many things they teach in the PTC which they don't. हाँ बता तो BEd बता. अभी तो BEd 4 साल हो गया ना, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना.
When it will New Education College 2023.
2 साल.
पहले 1 साल था, अभी 2 साल हो गया. New Education College it will be 4 years. Just like BSc and all education, graduation will be different, separate.
MAd will be 4 years. ऐसा होगा कुछ नहीं.
No ma'am. Like according to New Education Policy, if a person wants to go for this education teaching, then they have to select graduation. That will be 4 years.
Oh,
Yeah.
ऐसा.
After 12.
No need of doing BA, BCom, MSc, BSc.
Specification, yes.
Very nice. That's very
Many
nice.
courses will be in that way.
So that we'll get good teachers
We'll
also.
get good teachers. They'll be
अभी तो ऐसे कचरे जैसा टीचर.
No, not at all.
I'm sorry. मस्ती मस्ती करती हूँ. Yeah, all of you are good teachers, I know. All teachers are good. And one day Iyengar is telling me, Dr. Iyengar is telling me, कि you are very friendly with the teachers. I said, मेरा स्वभाव ही है. All my Alkapuri teachers still know me and I can bully them also because I knew them and they were my friends. ऐसा नहीं. और हम लोग मध्यस्थ मूल्यांकन करते थे, पता है ना, सेंट्रल असेसमेंट. पूरी रात my teachers and my पटावाlas would sit and stick. उस जमाने में we had to stick numbers, bogus boogie numbers on top of their numbers. पूरी रात बैठ के करते थे, just because they were my friends. So if you are the friend of a principal, principal has to be strict. She was telling me, તમે બહુ strict હતા. જુઠ્ઠી આઈ છોકરી. હું કાંઈ strict નહીં હતી. But I remember in the assembly, we had assembly every day in a hall. So we used to stand in houses. And I belonged to the blue house. And then teachers also were distributed in houses. So અમે teachers સાથે બી ઝઘડીએ. I was the blue house yellow house. Blue house very good in sports but Muddu in lessons. And yellow house very good in studies. So हम लोग बोलते कि healthy heart, a healthy body has a healthy mind. ऐसा ऐसा झगड़ते थे. We used to call it. So I would give one shout in the hall, you know, when they would drag their feet. I'd shout out loud. I said, "Don't drag your feet." I was telling her this story in the morning when she came to pick me up. That when I went to MES Girls High School, all the children were khal. And one of my teachers, Mrs. Pradhan, came to meet me. કે હવે વાળા તું કેવું કરે સારું લાગે તને અહીંયા મેં કીધું હા બહુ સારું છે કે આ ખરું જાય છે તું બોલતી નથી તો કેટલાને બોલું હાઉ મેની કેન આઈ કરેક્ટ but the children and the parents were wonderful. Those Muslim children have so much of etiquette. They're so polite and humble and good. And the parents also so good. कोई ऐसा नहीं करता है. One more thing that I did, which I do not know what you do, maybe we don't face this problem. We were in a Mughalwada, absolute Muslim area. तो मैंने ऐसा बोला that we will give out the results to parents in class. मैडम कोई नहीं आएगा. मैंने बोला हम ट्राई करेंगे. फर्स्ट टर्म में अबाउट 30% पेरेंट्स थे, 70 डिडंट कम. तो मैंने सबको हॉल असेंबली में बुलाया जिनके पेरेंट्स थे. एंड आई सेड नाउ इमोशनली ब्लैकमेल योर पेरेंट्स. टेल देम दैट डू यू लाइक मी, डू यू केयर फॉर मी. दे कांट से नो, दे डेयर से नो. If you say yes, then come for my result. Next time about 90% थे. एमाती एक दे बच्चा ने आया. So I told her, she said my papa is saying कि मैं पान का गल्ला चलाता हूँ तो मैं पान का गल्ला छोड़ के नहीं आ सकता हूँ 1 घंटा के लिए. तो मैंने बोला उनको बोल के पान का गल्ला 1 घंटा if you like me you have to leave. मुझे क्या है थी that I would stand out near the door and guide the parents. We used to put boards कि आ क्लास से आते. because we had 3 stories to that building. एक आदमी आता है पूरा लाल यहाँ से शर्ट में. मुझे बोला आप ऐसे याद है मैं पान का गल्ला चलाता हूँ, मैं अभी घर जाके बदलूँगा तो मेरे 2 घंटे वेस्ट हो. तो मैं ऐसे याद है. ऐसे भी आ तो गए. ट्राई ऑल पेरेंट्स के फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. 100% पेरेंट्स आने लगे एंड दे वर सो गुड. मैंने नवरचना में somebody had invited me to talk to parents. तेजल had invited me. And I told them that अभी क्या पढ़ाने का, 6-7 किताब पढ़ी उसके बाद उसकी शादी कर दी. I trained them that all girls need education. They cannot go without education. With the result that one lady came with the burqa and said ये मेरी पोती है, ग्रैंड डॉटर, पढ़ती ही नहीं है, उसको मारना, चमड़ी निकल जाए बांधा नहीं है, हड्डी नहीं तोड़ना. ऐसे ऐसा क्यों? हड्डी में पैसे लगेंगे ना, चमड़ी तो उग जाएगी. एटलीस्ट सो मच शी सेड, टीच माई चाइल्ड, टीच माई ग्रैंड चाइल्ड. ये चेंज होना चाहिए. वी विल बी दी एपिटम ऑफ चेंज इफ यू वॉन्ट डिसाइड कि क्यों नहीं आ सकता है हमारे पेरेंट्स में. अब भी देखो बॉयज़ इंग्लिश मीडियम, गर्ल्स गुजराती मीडियम. लकीली गुजराती मीडियम से स्टॉप, थैंक गॉड. तो अभी सब लोग इंग्लिश मीडियम में रखने लगे. वेरी फ्यू स्कूल्स इन गुजराती मीडियम, बट माई दत्तेश इज गुजराती मीडियम. टनाटन. Okay, I'm glad to meet you teachers. I'm glad that, and I'm sorry that I had to give you a big fat lecture.
No ma'am, we love it.
I hope you got my experience. Thank you, bacha. Thank you.